Yeah, every call starts with PPE, because COVID is real, folks. So this is a no cooling call. We're still in cooling season. Hey, good morning. I'm doing well. And yourself? Oh, thank you, man, for having us. Good to see you. So, what seems to be the problem? Okay.
The air conditioner quit.
Inside or outside?
Outside.
So, when you turn the thermostat on, what takes place? This doesn't come on at all? Can we go turn that thermostat on for me?
Yep. This system right here.
Is this upstairs or downstairs?
We only have one story. This is this half the house.
Oh, so it's left and right.
Yeah.
Okay.
So this one does the kitchen, master.
Further side.
Yeah. Further
Okay.
side. This one is
West,
this side.
east side.
Now there's an air handler and a different system up in the attic.
Okay.
I can go get a ladder if you don't have one.
I have it. This one is under the home?
No. This one is
In the attic.
in the attic on this side of the
And
house.
the air handler comes on, the fan.
Yeah, the air handler does come on.
Okay, but let's go get this on for me. Let's go get the thermostat on, turn it down to 65,
Okay.
so I can take a look at it.
Now, what I did do is I came out and I pulled the
Disconnect.
put it back in. Then I had the disconnect out. I also reset it in here.
So the breakers are on, everything is on, right?
Everything's on.
Okay, good deal. Let's go and get that thermostat down for me. Get the old trusty electrical bag.
Check the breaker box right quick just to make sure.
Start by pushing buttons. Start by ohming everything out. Well, I'm sorry, we're going to check the micro first of the cap, see what's going on. This is the fan, this is the other fan on common. This is common from contactor, and this is compressor. We always de-energize by crossing the terminals because it doesn't have a bleed resistor on these. Get our meter out. Put our trusty meter on microfarad. see what we got.